I will be explaining how to load your Onterra created Basemap onto your compatible Garmin GPS unit using the program Map Upload. Before I start, I would like to say that this program does not work on Apple products. The things that you will need to complete this process are your GPS, the USB or serial cable to connect your GPS to the computer, internet download capabilities, and the email with attachments from Onterra. I have already downloaded the instructions, but I will show you how, so please follow along. As you can see at the top, units require USB or serial cable to connect to computer for file transfer. Program works on Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. My computer is operating with Windows 10, so some of the steps may look different to you, but the process should still be the same. The first thing we want to do is save the file provided to you via email as an attachment onto your computer's hard drive. Depending on what type of email interface you are using, you may have to save to my computer or download attachment. I will be showing you how to download from Gmail, Yahoo, and from Microsoft Office. So let's do Gmail first. I have my email open and you can see the two attachments. So if you scroll over the attachment, you can see a down arrow. You select that and the file starts to automatically download. Do the same thing with the map. Now both of those are downloading. Since it did not ask me where to save, it is saved on my computer in the Downloads folder. I will show you how to access that once I show you how to download from Yahoo. So moving on to Yahoo, you can see again, here's your email and the two attachments at the bottom. If you scroll over these attachments, you get a box that says download. You click on that box and again it starts to automatically download. Do the same thing with your map. Now both of those files are downloaded. And like Gmail, it did not ask where I wanted to save the file, so now we have to go find it. To do that, you need to go to My Computer or This PC, open a window, and you can see all the different folders that you have on your computer. Because it did not ask where I'd like to save it, it is saved in my Downloads folder. You select that and you can see right at the top, there are your files that you downloaded. If you'd like to move these to somewhere easier, you can just select them and drag them to your folder. I will be working out of a folder on my desktop called Your Lake. So I pull my two files over and now you can see they're in there. To download from Microsoft Office, you can see you have your email open and there is an arrow next to your attachment. You click on that arrow and you can see your options. You want to select Save As and then save that to the folder that you would like to access them from later. Like I said, I will be working off of a folder on my desktop. So I select Desktop, my folder called Your Lake, and I open that and I select Save. I do the same thing with the map. Save As, find my folder, Desktop, Your Lake, Save. So now the files are downloaded onto my computer. Going back to the instructions, you can see that we have saved the files to a place that we can access later. And again, I'd like to know, be sure to make note of where those files are saved because you need to locate them soon. After the .img file is downloaded, which is your map file, you will need to download and install the Map Upload program on your computer. So you can click on this link, Download Map Upload Program, to access the web page where the software is available. So now, it asks you if you'd like to download a 64-bit version or a 32-bit version. If you know which version your computer is, feel free to move on. If you are unsure, there is an easy way to find out. You want to navigate to your Start or Home button, select Settings, select System, and then select About, and next to System Type, you can see which system type your computer is. Mine is a 64-bit, but please download the one that is compatible with your computer. So I select 64-bit version, And you can see that we have a map well and a map upload option. We will be downloading from the map upload option. If you are comfortable with zipped files, please feel free to download the zipped file. If you are uncomfortable with that or do not know what that is, we're going to download the unzipped file. So I select unzipped installation file. You can see that it's downloading. Now is a good time to connect your GPS while we finish these instructions. So you will need to select either the 64-bit or 32-bit version. We did that. We want to make sure that we're selecting map upload and not map well. We did that. Once the software download is complete, connect your GPS unit to your computer with your USB cable and turn the unit on. So I have already connected my GPS to my computer, but to show you where you can see if it is properly connected, you can head to this PC or my computer, and you should be able to see right in this column the Garmin GPS map, or whatever your GPS is named. So now that my GPS is connected, I would like to open the map upload program. Since we downloaded it and it did not ask me where to save, we need to find it. Again, this PC or my computer, and then head to downloads, and you can see right at the top map upload. So I double click on that, I select run, and then the program is now open. Let's open up these instructions. So, when the map upload program opens, the left-hand side of the screen will show the model of your GPS unit and the total amount of memory available on your unit. So this is the model of the GPS, total memory available. You want to click on the table or from the file menu, select Add IMG Files to List. In either case, navigate to the .img file you downloaded earlier, select it, and click Open. So what that means is you have your little table here, IMG map files, and a blue box. If you click on the blue box, it opens a screen asking where you'd like to select your map from. It automatically opened to where my files are saved, but if you did not save them somewhere that it opened to, you can go to this PC and it shows you all of the different areas. Mine is saved again on my desktop, so I select desktop, my folder, Your Lake, and then my maps are available. So I select a file, select open, and now it can be seen in my table. Onterra recommends you do not check the box Add to Existing Maps unless you have a third-party set of maps already installed on your computer. If this is the case, please stop now and contact Onterra on how to proceed. The Basemap file only stores the background maps, not waypoints, not tracks, or routes. Adding a new Basemap will not interfere with the waypoints, tracks, or routes stored within your GPS's internal memory. So now you can upload the map to your GPS. So once you have the .img file added, click on the Upload to GPS button. When the process is complete, click on the Exit button to finish the upload. You know that the process is complete because you can see Transfer Complete. So now I hit Exit. Once complete, you may disconnect your GPS unit from your computer.